So I'm here to unbox new things I got from Pinoy FPV. So I've quit FPV for over a year. Tapos ngayon, I'm gonna try to come back in again. Just wanted to thank Pinoy FPV for hooking me up again. I think this is the third time I've quit and come back. So thank you for hooking me up. So ano bang pinagkukuha ko from him? Basically, I got a new transmitter. Some batteries, 2S lang naman. 2S batteries. I think these are 480. Ito bukas na isa. 2S batteries. 450 milliampere. What I'm planning to build this time is something smaller. Something to join the whoop races, which we currently have already now. There's a home court na sa Galleria, so I'm planning to check that out. I'm gonna rebuild my 2S toothpick right here, and also a 65mm whoop. So what will I use to build that? We'll be using 2200 kV motors. Then, of course, I also got a Beta FPV light controller, 1 to 2S. But of course, I'll be running it in 1S. Ngayon ko lang napansin, naka-Beta FPV connector pala to. We'll need to swap that out. Then, or maybe swap the batteries out. Then, camera na gagamitin ko, of course, is this ant. But I'll be using this for the toothpick. Para dito. So, dito yan yung ant. I have a different camera in mind for my whoop. I think it's here. Aking mga lumang stash here. I have the Razer camera. Natira pa to from my previous quit and join. So ito siya. Razer FPV camera. It's very small. Still need to figure out how to mount it sa canopy. Also, I don't have a canopy. So I might most likely be using a 3D printed canopy. Tapos, I have a 350 milliwatt BTX here from Juice Nano. Galing kay Pinoy FPV lahat to, by the way. What else? So, basically that. And also, one of the few things I wanted to show you is unboxing quick lang ng Zorro. So, first time ko nakuha to, tabi ko lang ibang gamit. So, ngayon ko lang nakuha to galing kay Pinoy FPV. So, first time ko lang ito bubuksan. And I wanted to show everybody. Okay, so Radiomaster Zorro. What I got is the ELRS version. Also come from Pinoy FPV. To power this one, I also got these batteries. So the Zorro actually uses 18350 batteries, but I think may provision siya to use a 2S battery pack na kumukha dun sa ibang Radiomaster sa TX16X Max. So, pero itong gagamitin ko para pwede ko i-charge internally. Just don't know how long this would last. Pero since pwede naman siya external pack, so eventually pag naubos to, I can use an external pack. Okay, let's open. So nanonood na naman ako ulit ng, ayan, I think you know that guy, si Mr. Joshua Bardwell. So, kind of updating myself kung ano na nagbago. I think it's been like 8 months since I last quit again. So, seeing what will happen here. Tingnan natin, box natin si Zorro. Woo! Fresh na fresh! So, ano makasama nito? Whoa! Of course, you have the box. Yung box niya. Oh, may manual. Tabi muna natin ito. May manual niya. Same shit, normal shit, nothing inside. But if OpenTX naman yung radio, so if you already know OpenTX, then it shouldn't be a problem. You won't really need the manual. Okay, so naka-plastic container siya. Ooh, this is not bad. Makapalang grip. The grip is quite big. The sticks are nice. Okay to. Last radio I got was actually the Radiomaster TX16 Max. So yung high-end niya, kay Pinoy FPV ko rin kinuha. I sold that off then kasi gusto ko talaga to. When I first saw this, I wanted this one. Though my color screener and everything. But to be honest with you, if you're flying FPV, number one, you don't really look at the screen of the transmitter. If you're flying planes and you put in like scripts done, then it might matter. But if you're flying FPV where you're actually wearing goggles, hindi mo naman kailangan ng magandang screen. Ang kailangan mo lang talaga is a good controller that feels good in the hand with good gimbals, and that's it. That's all you need. In my situation, when I first saw this, yung Radiomaster Zorro, parang gusto ko na siya. The form factor good. Ganda ng pagkalagay ng LCD dito. Tapos all of the switches that you would need for FPV or maybe eventually if you're going to fly planes, meron din. Meron siyang 3 position. I think, ito, 2 position. Ito pala, 2 position, 2 position, 3 position, 3 position, liliit. So, hindi mababali kasi maliit. Normally siya mababali. May momentary switches din siya, apparently. Ito, momentary switches. May back switches na momentary din. Parang joypad. May momentary switches siya. May expansion port. So, since this is ELRS, the expansion port niya, I guess I can use this for a multi-protocol module, no? Eventually, if I want to get other stuff again, but maybe I'll take a pause for that for the time being. Then, power switch. The gimbals are nice. The sticks are a little bit small, but overall, it's nice. Ano ito na sa ilalim? It's a charging port. Ito yung 2S port that you'll need to plug it in. Tapos maybe straps, plug it in there too. No? Then, what else do we have? Ito yung expansion port sa likod. How does this pop out? Yun, ganun. So, it takes in the mini one, the 2 types of expansion devices kasi meron kayong regular JR port na tinatawag nila tsaka yung mini JR port, which is this one. I'm not sure if it was called mini JR port, pero basically it's the smaller one that you put in here. So eventually kung gusto ko ulit mag-crossfire, pwede. Yeah. But right now, I'm working with the Radiomaster Zorro, which I think is pretty good. The feel niya is pretty nice, actually. Malambot. I'm not sure if these are Hall effect gimbals na, pero the potentiometers are pretty nice. Not notchy at all. I prefer a notchy throttle, though, so I might just change that eventually. So, yeah. So, ano pa bang kasama ng box? Tabi lang natin. No, you have your USB cable. May isa na namang USB cable. And straps. Ito. Meron din siyang small screen protector. Para doon. I suck at installing screen protectors. So, tatabi ko muna ito. Eventually, palaging maalikabok pag ako nagkakabit eh. Hindi ako nag-succeed dyan ever. So, first thing let's do is install the batteries. Aha! Yan siya. Okay. Then, check natin ang polarity. So, ang positive nasa baba. So, nipple type 18350 gamit ko. So, nipples nasa baba, positive nandun sa taas. One down. Then, another one. Ganun din. Oops. Ano ba yan? Yan. So, once it's there, it's gonna stay there for quite some time. Before I close it up, let's power it on. Ooh, it's a bright screen. Aba, may micro SD start na. Kasi, ang OpenTX, normally, yung voice files niya, nandun sa micro SD slot. So, since nagsalita na yung Zorro ko, ibig sabihin nun, may micro SD na kasama to. Ang tanong lang, nasaan? Ayun, nandito. So, the micro SD slot is right here on the back, together with, I think, an earphone, headphone port, then a trainer port, I guess. Yan. This is a nice radio. Talagang pinagkasya nila sa maliit. Very nice. Pero one thing I'm sure about this, it's not too sealed. I think madaling pasukan ng tubig to. Well, sino ba magpapalipad sa ulan, though? That's another thing. But if you're flying planes, baka it would be important. But I guess for my purposes, this should work out well. Okay. Actually, may expansion ports pa siya sa gilid. Parang 2.5mm and 2.5 na screws. That's again something I will test eventually. Oh, what the heck is this? May antenna siya. Oh my god. Oh shit, baka sira ko. How does this work? May hinge na pa ganoon. So maybe it's a... No! Ah! Wag! Wait. Oh, ano to? Maybe there's an option to actually mount a monitor with this one. Internal antenna kasi siya. I think this is the antenna, the 2.4 antenna for the ELRS. Didn't come with any. O nasira ko na ba? Dapat bang may antenna to? Wala naman kasama sa box to. Yeah, wala naman yung box. So I guess that's okay. Okay. Closing it up. So fully charged yung batteries ko. Okay. So I have a radio. Oh, okay. Hindi nag-seat. Yo. Kabila. Ganun din. Yun lang. Hindi siya nagmamark. Bakit kaya? Meron siyang notch doon. Oh, okay. Akala ma-slot in. Meron siya parang lock. Yan. Ayan, okay na. Yan. This radio is pretty nice in the hand. I have slightly bigger hands. Sakto lang. I normally ganyan. Ganyan na hawak ko. Kasi pag sa wrist ko, ganyan yan. But otherwise, this radio is pretty nice. Meron pa siyang kabitan ng neck strap, which I'll definitely use. Yeah, buttons, model, power, OpenTX, standard. So, yeah. So, just a quick video of bagong stuff na pinagawa ko. If you're wondering some of the things I have here, well, ito hindi to bago. I already have this. Since magbe-build ako ng 2S, I'll be using this one just to check if anything shorted. I'll be resoldering stuff again. I have the motors. Ano pa bang pinagawa ko dito? Oh, this one. Also got this. Kasi para dun sa toothpick, I have a bit FC. Pero hindi siya, wala siyang built-in receiver. So I got this receiver from Pinoy FPV again. Better FPV Lite. Oh my god, shit. This is so small. Gano'n kaliit yan. Dulo ng daliri na lang. Perfect. Though it doesn't have antenna, it have what you call a built-in integrated antenna. Yung pula na yun, I'm assuming that's the antenna. Yan ang liit man. That's the antenna. But this is way small. Perfect for small quads. Wala nang positioning ng antenna. Wala nang droga ng antenna. This is it. Okay. So, this will be my new FPV life again. So, this video is me coming back. Again, for the third time. Kulit ng lahi. Anyway, yeah. So, I'll be building. Pero this time, I think I'll be a little bit more modest and just concentrate to wanna fly. I'm thinking of just building small quad, 65mm, tong toothpick. Eventually, I'm planning to buy another 5-inch. So 5-inch lang, just for freestyle. And maybe occasionally, kung may race, pwede naman sumali, just for the heck of it. I never win. I'm super slow, but still, you know, it's nice to join races to relieve stress. That's the whole part of it. That's why I actually went into this hobby, to relieve stress. So that's what I have. Okay, so documentation vlog of me going back. I'll want to, maybe I'll publish more videos eventually in the future. Hindi ko alam. We'll see. I'll just test this out first. Then, we'll try to check out the track as well with the Tiny Book folks and be there. Yeah? Okay. Sige, that's it. Thank you. Shh. Yan.